Adjectives and adverbs. Adjectives. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. Adjectives often come after the verb be. Listen to the examples. Which words are adjectives?
This coffee is delicious. The students are busy.
In these sentences, delicious and busy are adjectives. Notice how they describe the nouns coffee and students. Also, both adjectives come after the verb be. Adjectives can also come before nouns. Listen to the sentences. Which words are adjectives?
I have a nice apartment. Mexico is a pretty country.
In these sentences, nice and pretty are adjectives that describe the nouns apartment and country. We very commonly put an adjective before a noun like this. In English, adjectives are never plural, even when the noun is plural. Therefore, we never put a plural S on an adjective. When an adjective is not followed by a noun, we do not use an article, such as a, an, or the. Correct the error in each sentence. Then listen and check your answers.
She has a new car. The movie is popular. My friends are special. The store is crowded.
Adverbs with adjectives. We often use adverbs before adjectives to make a description sound stronger or more intense. We call these kinds of adverbs adverbs of degree. Listen to the examples.
The mountains are very tall. The air is extremely cold. This is a really pretty view. The ground is quite wet.
Examples of adverbs that strengthen adjectives include very, extremely, really, and quite. Listen to the sentences. Which adverb do you hear?
She's a really fun person. We're very close friends. The food is quite expensive. The tea is extremely hot.